This is a quick introduction to UDB, Undo's interactive time travel debugger for debugging live processes. With UDB, you can cut your debugging time by 50 to 80%. Here's how. So this is one version of UDB. This is the command line version. We also have a Visual Studio Code extension, which we'll see in a minute. But here we're at a software failure caught by an assertion detecting a bad value. So we can use the reverse operations to go backward to see where the bad value came from. We see that the value is coming from the global data structure on the heap. We can use watch points to go backwards too. So we set 1 on the bad value and use reverse continue to run backwards. Here we're at the point the bad value is stored to the data structure. We can see that rather than 255 and 0, we are actually storing -1 and a very large negative number, which overflows to 0. We have found the bug and we are not range checking this loop and are trying to work out the square root of -1. So we thought it was worth mentioning that UDB is also available as a Visual Studio Code extension. As you can see here, using the time travel debugging navigation bar, you can go backward in the execution history and trace back the root cause of the bug. You can go back to any point in the execution history to inspect the application state, including the contents of thread locals, all globals, and the heap. So just like in the command line demo that we saw, you can travel backward and forward to see exactly what the software did. Try UDB on your own program for free from undo.io.